As we're taking you throughout the rest of a Tuesday, should be on a mostly dry note. There are still a few rain and snow showers into some of our central zones, but a lot of that activity will start to move out of those areas as we are getting closer to the midnight hour tonight. So here we go on the model towards midnight into early Wednesday. It's going to be a light northerly breeze and not a lot of cloud cover out there. There still could be a few lingering clouds, at least near the immediate lake shore. Farther inland, it's a mostly clear sky, so that's going to allow our temperatures to drop quite a bit as we're going into the overnight 20s, if not even probably waking up to some teens as we get you out the door for your Wednesday morning. And even going into throughout the day on Wednesday, there still again could be a few lingering clouds near the immediate lake shore. Overall, partly to even at times, mostly sunny skies will be looking good, so we're mostly dry as we get into the day on Wednesday. Later into the afternoon by the evening, there probably will be at least a few more high clouds starting to move in. So that's what we'll track getting later into the day on Wednesday, but still an overall dry day for tomorrow. System off to our north and off to our west by the time we're reaching your Thursday, getting into the morning hours. You start to see a little bit of rain trying to creep in there into the western UP. That's going to be the next system we do track getting later into the week, especially for us by Thursday getting into the afternoon. So here it is on the bigger view. We'll be tracking that moving in as we go towards the lunch hour. Afternoon hours of your Thursday, it doesn't look like there's going to be a ton of moisture with this, but going to be the next solid chance nonetheless, at least for any rain showers as we're going later into the week. On the backside of that system, northwest winds will take over. So here we are into the day on Friday. Areas throughout the upper peninsula, there could be a few spotty lake effect showers as we're rounding out the week, but that's really going to be it as far as any more precipitation goes for the rest of this week. Most of your weekend is going to be looking mostly dry. I think we'll get at least our fair share of some sunshine both days, and temperatures, at least for this time of year, trending more so in the 40s. So not too bad before we're getting closer to Thanksgiving, if you can believe we're already there by next week. Out there right now for this evening, Manistee, upper 30s, current temperature right now at 37, light breeze. Not too strong at about 1 mile per hour. I think this is the big story for us past midnight tonight. 20s near the lake shore, but farther inland, check out those numbers, 16, 17, 18, so mid to upper teens for several locations out the door for your Wednesday. We see this time and time again this time of year, but a few extra layers out the door for early tomorrow morning. Probably going to be a good idea. As we go into your Wednesday afternoon, eastern upper tip of the mid, there's a look at your numbers. It's low to even a few mid-40s. Should be able to get in our fair share of some sunshine. Lake shore zones, there still could be a few lingering clouds as we go throughout the morning hours as we go into tomorrow. There it is, western lower, your temperatures, a lot of low 40s, even a few mid-40s snuck in there. South wind, not too strong, 5 to 10 miles per hour, sneaking in a few more clouds as we get later into the afternoon. Sunrise side, your temperatures very similar. There's a look at your numbers getting into tomorrow. A lot of low 40s, more of a westerly wind here as we go throughout the day on Wednesday. And as we take you into our central counties, it's going to be an overall drier day, at least compared to some of those rain and snow showers you did see from earlier this afternoon. Temperatures here for your Wednesday still back into the low 40s with our fair share of some sunshine getting in throughout the morning and early afternoon. There you go into the next 7. We'll watch Thursday into Friday. Chances will be there at least for a few showers, but as of right now, your weekend, Adam, mostly dry with numbers in the 40s.